Pumpkin's on fire.
Is it on fire? Where are we at, bro? Why am I here right now? Alright, what's up, guys? They watching another video. We here at the pumpkin patch, bro. I bet you guys would never thought you'd see a vlog at the pumpkin patch. Why am I here, bro? I'm here solo dolo too. I need a girlfriend, huh? I'm third wheeling right now with Hugo. Look at all these couples, bro. And it's just me. I'm here. Anyways, I thought it'd be a cool video today. I want to do this video that I've been seeing all over Instagram. All these car guys are doing it. They're carving pumpkins and then putting it on their exhaust and shooting crazy flames through like the face of the freaking pumpkin. I don't know. I thought a video right here so you guys can see. But yeah, I want to try that. So I told Hugo, I was like, bro, let's go to the pumpkin patch, let's get a pumpkin, and let's try to do it with my GTR. Let's see if my GTR can shoot flames through the pumpkin. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but we'll see right now. Guys, I'm actually proud of myself for vlogging right now in front of all these people. Everyone's looking at me like I'm weird. I don't like vlogging in public still. But yeah, we gotta find a pumpkin. And a lot of these are ugly. Bro, they ain't shit in here. What the? I think we're late, Hugo.
Like this size, no?
Oh, that's okay, nice size. That's a nice pumpkin.
It's a nice pumpkin.
I like that boulder. That is a nice boulder.
Ow! That shit lucky hurt. I like this one. But this one's ugly, bro. Guys, we've been walking around for like 20 minutes trying to find a pumpkin for me. Hugo's like, bro, just pick one. They're gonna blow up anyway. Loki, this is a good one, bro. All right, this is the one. I'm just on mine. This is the one, guys. Let's go. There's nice ones right here. Look. Damn, this shit looks bomb.
You have to mix it, brother.
All right, we made it back home. Which is mine? That's mine, right?
This is mine, this is yours.
This is not mine, bro. Hell no, that's not mine. Your shit ugly.
You should look like David's head, bro.
I think I'm gonna just do like I think I'm gonna just do like the normal face so I could do it for the Instagram video. But you should do something cool. I don't know. Do like the M logo.
Dick.
I've done that once, I think. I might just draw a little face on here, guys, and then start carving it out. You'll put this shit on my exhaust somehow. I don't know how we're gonna do that.
You gotta do the evil, the mean face.
That's what I'm saying. I'm gonna do some crazy shit. All right, guys. I printed it out, so it's gonna be perfect, scary ass face. Hugo's over here doing some Picasso stuff. No way you're doing this by hand. That's pretty good. How you do that? I'm a pumpkin carving master, bro. I used to do this shit when I was small. All right, guys, look. We're poking holes in it.
Everybody spam que lo que.
But look, I'm gonna live right now.
Right meow.
Right now. Bro, Hugo's came out pretty good. Look, for hand drawing it, it's not bad, bro. I'm over here struggling, guys. I was about to start like carving it, right? But I just realized we haven't even carved the pumpkin, bro.
I'm sore, bro.
Bro, look how small Hugo's hole is, bro. My hand does not fit.
It does fit.
No, it doesn't.
It does.
Bro.
It does.
Put your hand.
Look.
But look, this is how mine turned out. Look, we haven't carved it yet, but I do little dots. Now you can see exactly what the face is gonna be. I'm about to open this up and then empty it. Your hands look disgusting, bro.
So much seasoning here, bro.
Oh, bro, I'm a pro. I'm telling you, I've done this before. Oh shit, fast watch. Look who's here, guys. David.
Nick, what do you think?
This shit got all over my face, bro.
That's what she said.
Alright, guys, now we got the pumpkin all empty, and now we're about to carve the face. I don't want to mess it up.
Yeah, I can do it for you.
Hell no.
You're stupid, bro. I do a way better job than you. And you.
Your glasses are dirty.
Can't even see through those shits.
And we are done, bro. Look at this. It actually did not come out as bad as I thought. It actually looks really, really sick. I went with like the classic, just scary face, because I don't know, I want it to look sick with the flames coming out the eyes. It's gonna look crazy. Hopefully this even works, because on those videos, it was all of Mustangs, bro. And those Mustangs have like flame maps that just sit there. Like the flame just sits there for a long time. My GTR does not do that. Mine has like big old, just one big pop flame. So I don't know, we're gonna try our best. I'm gonna try to shoot flames to the exhaust. We'll see how it comes out. Hopefully it looks cool. Hopefully this isn't just a fail, but I wanted to try it. It's the perfect time for Halloween, so I think it's gonna be sick. Hopefully.
Hey, buddy, look at the Z color.
I cannot point the camera that way because the Z is right there.
Right there.
But anyways, I think Friday we're revealing the Z, guys. So this Friday,
Bro, there's no way.
we're revealing the Z and a new merch drop on Friday, guys. Mark your calendars. Yeah, I don't know how we're doing this. Like, I literally don't understand how people do this. But you gotta do a big ass hole?
What do you mean?
I don't know. Let's see how yours came out. Show the vlog. Hugo's masterpiece. Low-key pretty good for a hand-drawn pumpkin, bro. He literally drew that by hand.
It looks like it's crying.
It does look
So I'll
like
be
it's crying.
sick. Look like it's burning, crying.
My shit looks scary, bro. Alright, before we shoot flames, we gotta warm it up a little bit.
For sure feels faster than.
I haven't even stepped on it yet.
So you did everything that you needed to do. It does feel faster.
Wait, this is Hugo's first time driving in it since I did all that maintenance. It definitely made it faster. Bro, think about it.
For sure.
The exhaust leak is losing power. That alone loses power. Old spark plugs loses power.
Those spark plugs, guys. I don't know if you guys were ever to see it. You already showed it, huh?
Yeah, those spark plugs.
The spark plugs were like burnt as hell, like black, bro. Everybody knows those spark plugs are not supposed to look like that at all.
Also, the injectors also lose power too. All that shit was losing power one by themselves. Imagine all of them together, how much power I was losing. But it sounds good.
It sounds really good. Does feel way faster.
Does it? I don't know.
It feels good. I don't know if it just feels like, I don't know, it felt good. Let's get on your seat now. Like, I feel like we were able to move like this. Now you just
It feels fast, bro.
stuck.
Get it a little bit warmer. Alright. I think we're gonna try to do the video right here, guys. Somewhere where there's some light. So you can actually see the car still. Because other places are too dark. This will be cool. You my cameraman?
Yes.
How much you want to get paid? Like $5? There's a dead body in here, bro. Don't film. Jeffrey Dahmer. I'll die by the fumes, bro. I don't know what we're doing, guys, but I'm just gonna try to carve a hole. There's no way it's gonna work. It's gonna be bigger.
Another day out here.
Damn, your neck is shining, bro.
It's cold out here. Look at the
It's
color.
pretty cold out here, bro.
Who thinks we should start a knee date? Should be so funny, bro. You think it'll be funny, Hugo? If we with me and Nick?
Alright, guys, so we had to put a box because it just will not hold on the exhaust, huh? The way these exhaust tips are shaped, they're like pointed down. Like, you see how like they're angled? So there's no way for like the pumpkin to sit on the exhaust. I don't know, we'll see. Do you think I should just try to spit flames without the pumpkin movement? I don't know if it's gonna spit flames, bro.
All right, guys, here we go. What we should do? Why don't we try putting the pumpkins in the middle
That's what I was gonna do.
of both exhausts?
Pumpkin sweating.
What's going on? It's sweating.
They do that a whole bottle.
Oh my god, guys. This is not good. Is this fumes or what is that?
It's gas, bro.
Bro, we did a pumpkin pie, bro. Bro, look at the inside.
Oh my god, it's literally burnt, bro. Look at my exhaust.
It smells good, bro. It got cooked.
Oh, it does smell pretty good.
Look, bro, I swear.
It smells good. Why does it smell good?
Because I use that pumpkin pie way.
We're making fucking pie. I'll try it one more time. I don't want to float my engine.
Just blow it out, fuck it. Oh, that looks sick on that side.
Alright guys, one last try. We're gonna make the no way, you're doing it that big.
Bro, you have two big ass exhausts.
We're gonna make the hole bigger. Guys, these are like 5-inch exhaust tips. I don't know if you guys can see how big this shit is, but they're huge. Maybe
See?
no? Yeah, that was better. So the thing goes all the way up in there. But we're really out here, guys. What time is it? Is it midnight? We're really out here, guys, trying to make this video for you guys. Let's try one last time.
Oh my gosh, bro. That hurts my heart.
Look, that pumpkin's on fire.
Is it on fire?
The things were popping out on fire, bro.
Well, it was good. We got the shot?
Guys, this shit was a fail.
No, it wasn't. It's not that bad.
It was a fail. It did not look nothing like how these other foods. How we thought how it was gonna come out in our mind.
I knew it was gonna be like that.
But it was actually not bad.
No, the slow mo looks cool.
Now what are we gonna do with these damn pumpkins?
I don't know, they're burnt. What do you guys think? Was it a fail or was it good? I don't know, bro. You guys tell me. Comment down below. Did it look cool? Crazy that the pumpkins actually like get cooked, bro. Like, that actually smells good. What happened? You're leaving?
Yeah.
Why?
You just went home already. What do you mean?
Damn, bro. It's a little chilly out here. What happened to the F80 though? You sold the F80 to get the chain? Guys, smash the like button for us. Comment down below if you guys think that was cool. I wanted to do it. I saw it all over Instagram and I was like, I have to try it at least, bro. Even though I know my GTR does not spit flames like that, like where it holds. My GTR doesn't do that. You guys see it's just one big ass flame all the time.
We should have got a bigger pumpkin. If we got like those huge ones that we were making fun of at first, it would have worked perfect.
Or 2 little ones. That would be hard too.
Oh yeah, four pumpkins.
The F80 got
No way.
That F80 got repoed or what?
Nah, I had to buy I call it in the shop so they get it.
Okay, buddy.
You get a rental, you know what I mean?
Yeah, buddy. No way. Why did it just sound like that? Anyways, poor car. I'm not doing no more flames, guys. After the maintenance, I told myself I was not gonna do any more flames. And look at me doing it. I don't know if you guys have seen this app, but look, it literally says Godzilla mode. You turn it on, off, and then you do the intensity, how much flames you want. It's pretty sick, huh? And then different maps, look at. But we always keep that shit on race, just in case. This shit smells burnt.
The pumpkins.
We're back home. It's only right to see how they look with the candle. We should have did this before because there's a hole in it. Freaking back now. Oh my God. But it smells good, guys. It's so weird. Like, it literally smells like cooked pumpkin.
It smells like cooked pumpkin and then like E85.
Damn. Bro, it definitely still looks like a pumpkin. Look at this shit. Which do you guys like better? I told Hugo he should have did the M logo or something. Should we carve more? For Halloween?
Fuck no.
You're over it?
Over it. My arm's gonna be sore.
I know, low-key this shit was a pain in the ass, but we did it.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.